We stay right on the edge because we're always looking to push our applications, to the next level. And I know that we couldn't move as fast as we do without the Lotus tool set. It's really hard to contain the notes development here at Herman Miller, to be honest. When I first came to Herman Miller, the primary user group was customer care. And when we brought notes in, it was the only tool set in the groupware environment. I've seen it grow from a couple little notes databases in version 2 or 3 to a suite, really, of major notes databases as well as archives for all of those. And instead of just serving this facility, it was so successful that we have rolled it out to all of our customer care facilities in North America.
Herman Miller, SQA Customer Care, this is Jennifer.
A lot of the applications are heavily workflow enabled.
Echelon, Fabric.
If a call comes in, for instance, to make a change to an order, depending on where that order is, how many different plants it's being built at, and what stage each part of the order's in, it can be quite a complex task to communicate with all the right people quickly to try to get it to happen. And so workflow would be used to communicate to scheduling and purchasing and the plant floor and everyone necessary to quickly determine, can we make the change? And then communicate that back to the customer and say, yes, we can make that change for you. We're in the process of putting together a mock-up for our next generation of our customer care application. And my team's pretty geeked up about that, and they're ready to go.